gem stickers. I just recently poked my finger with a needle right here, but like just today, like 5 hours ago. Why is this free? I got, can't wait to see the big one. I got 4 things. And why does this thing fit 4 things? Maybe on my yellow banana I put it. I did not put them in. I don't know which one goes in the yellow banana.
It doesn't matter.
Oopsies. I'm just gonna put these 2. Yep. That's good. What song is that? I got this one. I want to stick it on the banana.
You want to eat a real banana?
No, I'm not even hungry. I just finished eating recently.
Yeah, after this we can have some yogurt. Cocoa yogurt. Your
Yay.
favorite?
Yes. I don't like coconuts, but I like the coconut yogurt for some reason. It's like very tasty and I love it. It was just 2 minutes ago, right? I opened the other one. This we don't need, it's rubbish. Because I already stick the sticker on. Blah blah. I really want my little sister to wake up. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.